Okay, so Mommy came home. She said the van's making a horrible noise. So we tore into it, and we found we need new brakes. So now we're going to have Alex put the brakes on. Go ahead, Alex. Put that on. Yep. You know how it goes. That's the brake rotor.
This is heavy.
Is it?
Yes.
You put the other one on. Careful now. Line it up there. Alright, what piece is next?
I don't know.
I think it's that piece right back in there.
This piece?
Yep. Take them big bolts out.
Big book.
Yep, they should just come right out. No, like this. Urgh.
Oh, yeah.
Now this one.
Alex is fixing. Alex is fixing today.
Don't keep turning it back one way and then the other. It'll never come out.
I'll do it.
Okay, now take these other two little ones out too.
I want to get this. Man, that was loud. I can get them.
Well, I don't want the battery to go dead.
For what? So much faster.
Yep. Now, hold on. It goes on this side. Okay?
Which way? This way?
Yep, hold on here. I don't know what you're seeing there, folks.
How can you sit there? And how can you sit there?
Because there's people watching us right now. You know that? Look at the camera. They're watching you right now.
It turned off.
It did not.
The flashing on.
Well, it's still going. Trust me. Take them big bolts and put them in there.
Quick?
Yeah, quick.
Where? I can't see where they go.
They go in the back.
The handle's on the way.
Did it start? Try the top one. Try the top one now. No, get another bolt. Get the other bolt. And do the top one. Because you got the bottom one started. Do the top one. Let me see.
Hey, quit that!
Man, you're going to be like a master mechanic by the time you're...
18?
Exactly.
And now I need the itsy-bitsy bolts.
Now, hold on. We got to tighten these up. Lord knows, Mom would have a fit if it came off going down the road.
Oh, yeah. That's one called you.
All right, hold on. We got to use this. We got to use the racket maker.
I want to use the racket.
Hold on, we got to take that off. Pull that socket off there.
Now, which socket?
Now you need this socket.
Now which socket do we need? Now where do we hook it up? On these?
Right there, yep.
It ain't making that click.
You make the click noise when it comes back. You gotta get it tight, kid.
I can get it.
You think you can get it? Okay, hold on. Stop. Let's do the top one now.
Oh, this is gonna be...
There we go. Yep, you're getting it. Keep doing it. When you slip off there, you're going to remember it. Alright, can you let Dad get it tight? Hold on. Hold on, hold on.
I think go high. Daddy, the thing, your hand is my hand.
You think so? Alright. Oh, now we gotta get out of here. Grab the new brake pads. Remember how we did it? Nope, other way around. Other way around. Nope. Flip them around like this. Hold on, that's not quite right. You gotta push it in like that. Another one on the back.
I don't know if I'm doing it right. I need to move on.
Hold on.
Am I doing it right?
Hold on, let me see.
It's on the side.
Yep. All you're seeing is the back of his hand. Yeah, you're getting it. Hold on, no. Hold on, don't. Get in there just right. Now push it in.
Got it.
Get a good shot of his elbow, people. Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, we got it, but what's that?
What was that?
I just do this. They probably won't hear the tooting in the background, right? What did you do? Growl at me? I need to hold that.
Hold on now, careful. I don't want you to break.
I don't want to break away.
Yeah, Lord knows we don't want to have to do a...
This tiny piece goes there?
Yeah, right in there.
Hey, come on.
They're going? Oh, what's wrong there? There, we've got to wiggle it a little. Alright, where's the other one at?
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I'll have it.
Now we did it. We done lost the bolt.
Will you make sure that the people will see this?
Stand up. It's probably underneath you. Yep, there it is, right there.
I was sitting on it.
You were sitting on it.
No.
Put it in the bottom hole.
It still stinks. I tooted on it.
No.
I can go, buddy.
There you go. That's a good shot of his elbow.
I'm kind of black at the camera. Quit staring at me, people. It's done.
Alright.
Now it's done. It's done. Do we put the
Hold on.
bolts on
Hold
now?
on. We need that socket over there.
A sock?
That socket, that
This
big.
socket?
Yep, that socket.
I need it on the sock.
Hold on, you gotta push the button to get that off there, you know.
I know how to do
Now, hey, we don't throw tools around. Alex! Now, come on.
Alex needs to do it, Daddy.
Well, then you do it.
I need you to pull the button.
Yeah, you want me to do all the hard parts, huh? Ow! Now, come on, let's see if we can do this in 10 minutes. Here we go. Stop, that one's tight.
Now Alex needs to do this socky. I just threw it in front of the camera. Was I hear my toot?
They're gonna hear you talking about it. Now you need to quit that.
Ew, it stinks in here. Oh, man.
So much for putting this on YouTube.
Put this on Facebook.
Hey, let's hurry up and get this done. Is what we need to do.
Oh, come
Oh, my
on.
phone's ringing. Great. All right, we did it, guys.